Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Teach Tutorial Now, and I am Sonam Prajapati. So friends, in this video I'm gonna show you how to stop autoplay video in Instagram. So friends, before starting video, if you have not subscribed my channel, just click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon button. Okay, now let's start the video. So friends, first of all, log in your Instagram account. Then if you do not follow me, just click on my Instagram and follow me. So friends, now I let you know how to do it. So go to setting and here click on the setting, and after this friends, here you will see the option and on this. So autoplay video will be stopped in your mobile. So friends, thank you so much for watching my video. If you have not subscribed my channel, don't forget subscribe, and I'll see you soon with a new video. Till now, bye.